Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you the easiest summer crop top. You need to know only make chains and double crochet. You crochet a rectangle piece, then we double fold it and join one part. After, make suspenders on it. I use ruffle type, but you can also make straight one. I tell every detail in the video. Also, you can crochet this piece after sew it. Okay, but I also crochet and also make suspenders. It's more easier and not looking so bad. You can see that. You can adapt its size. If you crochet your rectangle more longer, your width is getting more bigger, and first chains is important about the height. If you want to make it more crop, so you make less chains than me. Okay, it's so easy. I give all the details in the video. I said that. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start the crochet our super easy crop top. Let's start the crochet. We start our crop top with make chains. These chains makes our crop top's height. Okay, I made 60 chains and it gets 30 centimeter nearly, and it's equal to nearly 11 inches. Okay, if you want to make it more shorter, you will make your chains less than mine. Okay, this is a cotton yarn. Its size is 3 and I'll use 4mm hook. First of all, and I make a sample now, not make 60 chains. You will make your chains which size you want, which height you want. Make a slip knot first, then I will make here 10 chains for a sample. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 2. Okay, yarn over and skip 1, 2, 3 chains, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Count these 3 chains as a double crochet, my first double. After, make a double crochet in every each stitch. Yarn over, insert here, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert here, pull through 2, pull through 2. Okay, you do this all of your chains like that. When you come to the end of the row like that, chain 2 and turn your work. Then yarn over and use only back loop for make your double crochets. Here you see here 2 loops. I insert my hook only back loop, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 2 counts my first double, pull through 2, pull through 2, like that. I do my doubles every stitch in back loop. When I come to the at the end here, yarn over, insert into the top of that stitch and make a usual double. Chain 2, count as the first double and turn your work. Use only back loop. Make your doubles. When you come to the last one, you will insert into the top of that stitch and make a usual double. Okay, you will make your doubles. You have a big rectangle and this is turned all around your body, your chest and the belly. Which length you want, it's your choice. I complete my rectangle and turn my crop's rectangle, and I want to give you its measurements. Its width is 20 inches, and the height is 12 inches, and it comes to centimeter, 30 centimeter height, nearly 50 centimeter width. Okay, now we need to join two sides together. You can sew it, or you can make slip stitches like me for the joining two sides. I insert from the first stitch and make a slip stitch, then hold it like that, insert into the next. Here are chain lines, so I take this stitch, all of that, and take the second stitch, not front post, that back post, and make a slip stitch, or make a single crochet. Okay, insert into the next, insert into the back loop, make a single, next, back loop, make a single, do the same thing until come to the end. Okay, look at that. I complete and turn to you. I come at the end of this row, chain one, and cut my yarn. Turn it to the front side. Here it's not looking bad. Okay, I want to put it under of the arm. We will make its tails now, and I will count here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. It's the middle is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Here is the middle. So we can put here the tails like that. First of all, we start to make our suspenders. First of all, find the middle point of our front side. I made one here, like ruffle looking. It's so cute. You can do that only double crochet and not make any ruffles, so it's so simple. Then I divide here 3 pieces. One piece is this front, the neck part, one part is first sleeve, one part is the other one is the second sleeve. Okay, so look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I give 5 and after started, so I will count there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will start from here. Okay, look at that, the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I will start here. Then make a slip knot. And insert my hook here and make a slip knot. Then I made here 60 chains, but you can adapt that for your shoulder distance. Okay, it's turn it easily and not make any tight space. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made 60 chains. After, come to the back side and find the same line of the stitch. I insert here and join with a slip stitch. Okay, you can make it only make chains and make this side after you can sew here, but I will crochet on that. I want to show you this part. Then 1 and 2 chains and lose my loop. Look at here, I want to this is the right side and I want to look these ruffles to the right side. This is left side, I want to make the ruffles left side. So lose this loop and I will insert my hook. Next rows stitch here and then insert this loop and join them together. Turn it and make it easily. Then yarn over and turn my stitch. And you can see here back loops. I make it like that because at the end we have this clear looking after that suspender. Okay, one side is looking like that. This is the finishing part, so it looks so good. Yarn over and turn my chains and work with that back chains. Okay, here is the first one. First one is a little hard, after it will be more easier. Here. Pull through 2, pull through 2, make a double crochet, yarn over, insert into the next back loop here, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next, pull through 2, pull through 2, make a double crochet in each back loop. Okay, I come to the end and turn to you. I made my all doubles here. Now we need to join this here. So I insert my hook, next row stop, and then insert in that loop and take it like that. Then start the new row, 1 and 2 chains, lose my loop and insert into the finish of this rows stitch, both of them like that. Take this loop and start to make our double crochets on the new row. I come here. Now we start to make this ruffle. Yarn over. This chain 2 is my first double crochet. I count like that and insert into the same stitch. I did the same thing. I do the same thing which we did on the body. Only insert my hook, back loop, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next like that and make here 2 double, 1 and 2. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, make 2 double this loop, insert into the next back loop and make 2 double. We will make 2 double in each back loop. Okay, this is the second row. I complete and turn to you. I complete the second row like that. See it. This time I insert my hook. This is at the end of this row, so I will lose that loop. Here I insert next row stitch here. Then take this, chain 2, and insert, lose that loop again and insert my hook next rows, top stitch, take this loop here. Then use only back loops and make it 1 double crochet this time. Only on the second row we will make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch because it makes this ruffle. First, the third and the fourth row we will make 1 double crochet in each back loop. Okay, I complete here and come to this side. This time I will join this here, chain 2 and join here, turn and make 1 more double crochet, totally 4 rows, and finish our suspender. Okay, you can crochet this piece after you can sew that if it comes to you so tough. Okay, I complete and turn. I complete the 4th row and I join it. We use this row, you can see. I insert my hook next rows stitch, then take this loop and insert it like that. You can see the joining, it's not so looking bad, you can see that. Also I said that you can crochet that piece after sew it. Okay, if you keep crocheting chain 2 and then next row insert it, then keep crocheting. Now chain 1 and cut my yarn. I will hide this tail more better after that. Take off that marker. This is the easiest crop top. You can make straight suspenders, but I want to tell you how can you make this ruffle type. Hope you like it. Only make 1 rectangle piece after you have a crop top. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.